Howdy folks, TJ here. What do I have a cup of joe with me for? Well, it's because I'm going to peruse a new, I'm guessing you call it a digital magazine for the Spectrum Next that runs on the Spectrum Next, and it's issue number 1. Never loaded it up before, so I have no idea how it's going to load. Is it just a directory and folder that have a whole bunch of stuff in it that you got to double click on and run? Is there some type of user interface that guides you through this digital magazine? So I thought I'd bring up, it's actually early Monday morning here, a little before work, so I thought I would crank out a video. And I'm going to be a little bit more quieter than normal because my folks are still here. They're on their second week of being here for 3 weeks, so we've got another week of having fun with them. But I needed some Speccy Next time, so let me take a sip. Let's load up NEXTER. And when's the last time you heard "stir" in a name? Trickster. That's a hair metal band, Trickster from the 1980s. Napster. There you go. Stir. You gotta get that stir in there. NEXTER. Interesting name. It gets the point across. It's for the next and NEXTER. Bueller. So let's go ahead and load up NEXTER issue number 1. Let's turn up the volume a little bit. And we've got down here for NEXTER issue 1.bas. I don't know what this, let's check out this directory first though. Data, AYFX, Eyes Out, Jumble, NextDaw. So I don't know if these are things that you can run independent from the magazine that you're perusing or that you have to go in here. I'm not sure. So I'm not quite sure how this magazine works again and if it's got a user interface involved in it. But let's go down and run NEXTER issue 1.bas. Oh, that looks good. Issue 1. It's got this nice, looks like little doors, I'm guessing. I don't know, some type of graphic around it. NEXTER content, stuff and things, news, information, and stuff and things that may be of interest. Press enter to run. All right, cool. So that looks very inviting, and the date does say 7/20/2022. Stuff and things, NEXTER. Q, it looks like Q for quit. If you want to quit out of it. I don't know if I'm a little lost right now. Do I hit return? Can it go off a joystick? I don't have a joystick connected. I'm going to hit return. Arrows? Oh, arrow. Okay, so this is kind of telling you, hey, dummy, use arrows. So let's go back. So that's where it starts. So I'm going to hit the right arrow, and you can hit Q for quit. Okay, got it. So it's got a nice little sound effect. Doink. Welcome to issue 1. So what is NEXTER? Well, let's just say it is a compilation of things. Each issue will have regular games, such as Treasure Words, Jumble, and Eyes Out, along with a news section, which is what you are currently reading. There will also be other little extras to check out. Okay, I guess just right. It's going to take you on a little adventure through the magazine. ZX Harrier. This is that Luminos Patanamenemos. I have a problem with his name. Has released the next version of Classic Durell, D-U-R-E-L, Game Harrier Attack. It keeps a fairly simple visual style, similar to the original, but with a bit more color. It's still hard to aim those bombs, but I found getting to the end a bit less challenging than it used to be. Shows you a picture. You can download this game from itch.io. Okay, cool. So it's got a little picture. This, I guess, is an actual image of the game. Now that looks pretty cool. I haven't played ZX Harrier yet. A game that I need to check out. I should have plugged the mouse in. Not a mouse. Well, I guess I could have plugged the mouse in here too. I wonder if the joystick would actually use the right thing or not. Shovel Adventure. The bizarrely named Pat Morita team has launched a Kickstarter for a next version of Shovel Adventure, which was originally made for the Speccy 128 and CPC. This new version will take full advantage of the next graphical power and already looks highly polished and professional. So it's giving you little snippets, it looks like. So you've got limited text, obviously, capability. You don't want to sit here and read forever. So this is kind of giving you little snippets is the way that I'm taking it. And then it shows you a picture. Oh, that looks good. Look, that's like Tutankhamun thing. There's a whole... Oh, that game looks really good. Man, the graphics look great. Bomb Jack. It's been out for a while, but it's worth reminding people that the great next version of Bomb Jack by Menu Furry, and I recently played this, so I'm not going to keep reading here, but it looks like you can pick it up from itch.io. And then it shows you a picture. Did I ever get to this one? Is that level 3? I might have got to this one, barely. Once. Vradex Revenge. Okay, so I'm just going to click through. I don't want to read everything on this. So it looks like it's got some text. Basically, this is kind of a news section, and it's giving you some snippets of information. That's cool. And it's got a nice arena around it, nice art. And there's a picture of it. Cool. Dungeon 16K. I saw this the other day. I haven't downloaded it yet. So, but watch out for that dragon. Cool. Download the game from itch.io. King of Anglers. Oh, is this a fishing game? Oh, it is. I love fishing. Okay, in Sun Team news, I am currently working on a relaxing little fishing game for the Next. The game will feature 10 different lakes and a variety of fish to catch. Will you be able to hook the big boss fish and gain the title King of Anglers? Cool. And there's a picture. Oh, that looks awesome. There's a little cabin here, and you're on a lake. That's sweet. NEXTER is created by Paul Weller, Sun Team. Keep up the date by following Sun Team on itch.io or Facebook. Okay, cool. Stuff and things. Okay, cool. So it is back to issue 1. So is there up-down arrows? So I am getting a little lost. So this... Actually, let's go left. So I didn't read the bottom. Maybe there's some pertinent information. Okay. Please leave your comments and feedback. Let me know if you have something to contribute, a project you'd like to feature in the news, next on music for a jukebox section, letters to the editor. If you're a dev, talk to me about interviewing yourself. Hey, how are you, TJ? I'm doing mighty fine. How are you? I don't know. I'm silly. It's a little morning. I'm a little giddy. I need another drink here. So this is kind of a short news, a basic game that could be included in future issue. No game is too small. Graphics help could be available. Cool. Okay. So this looks like that's the end. There's nothing else. The up arrows don't do anything. Return don't do anything. It's just all left and right arrow. And this took you back to the beginning. So I think this appears to be the magazine part or the news part. And there's nothing else. So Q to quit, stuff and things. So you only got press enter to run, stuff and thing, and oh, there's contents here. What's the arrow here? Oh, there you go. Okay, I'm glad I kept reading. So in this page, it's a little different than what I'm used to. So there's arrows here, and it says the word contents. So stuff and things, news, information, and stuff. I was going to say, if that's all it would be kind of a short magazine or news. So hit this, and then there's treasure words. Solve all the clues in this crossword to reveal the pirate treasure. And if you want to run it, you just press enter. Cool. Jungle Jumble. Can you swap the picture tiles to reveal the hidden image? Eyes out. Remove all the demon eyes in the haunted shoji paper screen to banish the yokai. Okay. Gotta itch my ear. And then back to the... Okay, so cool. So let's go ahead and... So there is a little game launcher on here. Let's go ahead and... let's go to the Demon Eyes. I'm not going to play all these things because I want you to experience the magazine for yourself. So I will put a link down below to the itch account where you can download this. But let's go ahead and hit... where's the jump? Demon Eye. Okay, so press enter to run. I don't have a joystick connected, damn it. Next one. Oh, nice. Nice little intro. Press any key. Oh, I hope there's a keyboard option on here because I don't have the joystick connected. Okay, cursors to move. Z to change. R to reset. Q to quit. Okay. So I guess I'm up here. Oh, look at the graphics. Those look really good. Oh, that's a long deck. It's too more. I can't let my mind get in the gutter. Okay, so I'm guessing. Oh, that's loud. do you want to choose two at the same time? What's the object of this game? Eyes out. Oh, my dog's barking now. Okay, do I hit return or something? Z to change? Yeah, I don't know how to play this game. Q to quit. Yes. I'm going to have to read the instructions on how to play that. Oh, it takes you right out. Would have been nice if... Oh, and it did a hard reset. Because I've got my crackleism pops back. That's my puppy barking and listening to me. Okay. Let's go ahead and try a different game. So, look. Treasure words. Let's go to jumbo. Can you swap pictures? Eyes out. All the demon eyes in the haunted soji paper. Treasure words. So it has the same nice introduction. Very cool. NEXTER. Treasure words by Paul Weller Sunking. Yar, me hearties. Captain Brownbeard. Aaron, I've been on a hunt for bird treasure. We made a port of an island on the map. I sound like Sean Miller. We made port of an island on the map, but need to solve some fiendish word puzzles. Press any key to play. Oh, that's cool. Cursor to move. Z to change direction. Enter input word. Oh, this is the word thing. Do you like gotta type in a letter or something? F? I don't know. Long-term Spectrum archive and website. Oh, I see. So when you get over something, it gives you a tip, I guess. This Ford hitches rides on spaceships. And then this long-term Spectrum archive, World of Spectrum. W. Oh, Z to change direct, cursor to move. Enter to input word. Okay, enter. Input WOS for World of Spectrum. There you go. Okay, cool. Hey, I like that. I like this. What's this? Nothing. Spherical Bobby? Oh, I don't know what the hell that is. Spherical Bobby. That's something from overseas. I don't know what the hell a Bobby is. So it looks like woman of a religious order. Nun. Okay. N-U-N. I got it. Okay. That's it. So let's go ahead and Q to quit. Q to quit. Yes. And it does a hard reset. So, which is fine. But on the older Next, you got the snap, crackle, pops going on. So I got to turn that off every time unless you want it to be a pain in the ass. Oh, jeez. Okay, browser. Let's just get back. So that's the magazine. So NEXTER. So it looks like it's part news. You can hit return and read. Then you've got the arrows that you can arrow over. You've got the games that they've got available. Treasure words, jungle jumble, and eyes out. And then you're back to stuff and things. So cool. This looks like a fun way to just add some fun to your Next. I wonder if this is available for download directly through the Next through, what's the name of that program? I've already forgot. I just grabbed this when I was on my work computer and grabbed it. So anyway, that's NEXTER. This is issue number 1, dated 7/20/2022. Check it out. Play some of these games. I definitely like that word game. That's my speed of games. So thanks for watching, and have a nice rest of your day. Bye.